Hey guys, Russ Henneberry here with Digital Marketer, and today we're going to be talking about how to craft the perfect introduction for your blog post. All right, so we jump into my computer here, and I'm going to show you a quick little trick to get people to consume your content. And first of all, you want to have a really great headline, which we talked about in another one of the videos in this blogging series on our YouTube channel. But the second big thing is that you want to have an opening sentence that is like a slippery slide, okay? When somebody reads it, they are literally unable to not read the next sentence. So one of the best people in the world at doing this is a great blogger named John Morrow at boostblogtraffic.com. And look at how he opens up the introduction to this blog post and just makes it so that you start to slide down this sort of greased chute. So he starts out by saying, you know, everyone thinks we're fools, right? And so you literally cannot, if you read the headline and you were interested, and then you read this sentence, you are not able to not read the next sentence. And notice how short it is and how punchy it is, right? It's real short and punchy. You know, everyone thinks we're fools, right? So it's curiosity laden, and it's short and it's punchy. And so he's getting you to slide down into the content. Notice how we did this in this post here. So this post is called 5 Lightning Fast Ways to Create Stellar Blog Content. And the opening line is, I know your type. Okay? And so again, very short, very curiosity laden, really not possible for you to have read the headline and been interested and then read this sentence and not start to roll down the page. So the best way to create a perfect introduction to a blog post is to create a short, punchy, curiosity laden introduction that gets them to slide down into your blog content. Are you struggling to come up with blog post ideas? We have a PDF download of our ultimate list of blog post ideas that you can get by clicking right here. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos just like this one. I'm Russ Henneberry with Digital Marketer, and thanks for watching.